I started Evergreen Property Management after managing family-owned properties for 20 plus years. Being able to find someone a home in a place that they want to be, it's changing someone's life through property management. From the moment that the owner signs our management contract and hands over the keys, we take care of everything. We look at property management holistically. We need to serve our owners well, and to make that happen, we have to find highly qualified residents. And when you put those things together, responsible owners and responsible tenants that are being well cared for, it's just a win.
I love working with our owners because I feel like I can relate on a personal level. I have the same goals and strategies as them.
We really care about our owners. We understand that they are trusting us with a significant asset.
We choose to show complete transparent finances to our owners because we want to build trust and we want them to be able to see every dollar in and every dollar out of their account.
Recent legislation has made the property management industry more challenging to navigate. More and more owners are now finding it necessary to seek out the support of a management company, and we're happy to be that company.
We're professionally trained and keep current on all of the latest legislative changes. And we're in this to protect our owners and our residents.
Click on the contact button or reach out to our office with a phone call. We'd love to see how we can serve you.